So I'm taking you guys along today with me as I'm just going about my daily routine. So we have got a lot going on today. I have got pressure washing going on in both Savannah and Bluffton, South Carolina. One of the houses that we are doing in Savannah is across the street, so I'm going to go over there in a little bit and check that out. I've got a new GoPro, so we're going to be using that to film most of the stuff for our channel. Hopefully it's going to increase the quality and the overall presentation. So I'm hoping that that is of benefit. Let us know what you think. The second thing I'm going to do is use that Holy Stone drone in another attempt to get some good footage of pressure cleaning as it is taking place. Someone's jamming over here, so if you hear that, that's not my music. I've got some equipment that I have got in the back that I need to drop off. I have got a couple quotes that we need to do. There was a big gutter cleaning job that we gave a quote on about 6 or 8 months ago, and the property manager had just asked if we had if the quote was still good because they were looking to move forward with it. So that's great news. I'm going to drive by there, check that out, see if it's something that is still, the price is still good. I'm sure it is. However, that was quite a while ago. I'm glad they gave us the opportunity to relook at it. Most likely I'm not going to. So this is exciting. My wife and I have been talking about the business and how we can work more closely together and attack some of the daily operational things. She already does the invoicing, scheduling, a lot of the scheduling. She does a lot of the accounting side of the business, which has been monumentally helpful. It has taken some off my plate, and it's just nice. The other thing that we have decided is on the landscape business, we have got probably 150 accounts, and those are all residential accounts, geographically consolidated in one area, and that was by design. We've got several commercial accounts as well, but the main focus on what I'm talking about right now is the residential. So she is going to be going to every single property at least once a month and doing a property evaluation. The property evaluation is going to consist of multiple things. First is just quality control. We want to make sure that our crews are performing to the highest level possible. They're not missing things. They're doing the things that are expected. We've got 2 levels of service that we do, and only 2. We've got a basic and we've got an all-inclusive. With the basic, you're just getting the bare minimum: mowing, edging, trimming, blowing, and weed eating. That is it. For the all-inclusive program, you're getting everything: bushes, beds, everything is maintained. You don't have to lift a finger. Changes in employees, changes in supervision. Sometimes it gets confusing, and sometimes some accounts slip through the cracks and aren't getting the things that they need to be getting for what they're paying, because obviously there are 2 separate price points for those 2 packages. So my wife is going to be going and doing a property evaluation, like I said, monitoring the quality, making notes, documenting everything. But the thing that is really going to be beneficial to the business from a financial aspect or a financial standpoint is this: we are going to be cross-selling and upselling on every single property. So with every single property evaluation, I got to get over it. With every single property evaluation, she will be noting whether they need their roof cleaned, whether they need the house washed, driveway cleaned, deck refinished, whatever it is. Anything that she sees that can be something that we can add on to our list of recommendations, she's going to be doing. Mulch, pine straw, things of that nature. So it's really awesome. She's going to be taking pictures of everything. We're going to send an email to the customer. That email will say, hey, we were at your property today. These are the things that we saw that we're going to work on. These are a few of the things that we saw that would be beneficial to your property, to the general overall curb appeal of your home if we were to do these things, and here are the prices. So that is something that I am incredibly excited about, and I think it's going to do wonders for the business. It's just going to be generating more income, and that is awesome. So I'm at Andy's and I'm about to drop all this stuff off, so we'll talk to you later. So I'm walking over across the street, checking out my neighbor's house because my tech had sent me some pictures of some pre-existing issues with the paint. Did y'all smell that? The bleach? That is the smell of money. You sent me some text this morning of pictures, right?
Yes,
How come?
because there was already pre-existing damage.
Exactly, and so I'm looking at some of it now. So before we do every house wash, we do a walkthrough to make sure that if there is damage, we document it, we let the homeowners know, we eliminate any liability on our part by documenting. And these are the pictures that, and it's just little things,
Yeah.
but better be safe than sorry. Hey Mac, I want to try out this tip.
Okay.
This is the Davis shooter tip. It's really loud right now, so I don't know if you can hear it, but this is called the Davis shooter tip, and we are going to test it out today. We've not used this one before. Let me know what you think. Okay, so this one is for an 8-gallon per minute machine. Lots of flow for sure, which is the most important thing. How are you doing on distance? How's it on distance? That's good. All right, so anytime I can fix my own stuff, I do, if it's quick and easy and not too time consuming. Sometimes it's better just to take it, pay somebody to do it. Other times when it's something quick and easy, we do it ourselves. And today we have 2 surface cleaners that were dropped off. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix those real quick and get them back on the road. And I want mostly down here, not on me so much. Okay, so these surface cleaners, obviously lots of wear and tear on them with the water, the sodium hypochlorite. They get pretty beat up, and one of the things that fails are the little clips that hold on the skirt that keeps the water from spraying out. So if you come over here, I bought these from Russ at Southside Equipment up in Kentucky. They're super cheap and they're easy to put on, but you have to drill out the rivets on the old ones, slide these little brackets on, and we've got 1, 2, 3 that need to go on. And you just line up the hole, get your rivet gun, and just start squeezing until it breaks off, and it is secure. 2 more, super easy to do. Just line it up, put it in. I'm going to open that up a little bit. Hopefully it will not break. So this can slide right back in there. And we can rivet up this last one. I will tighten that little clamp. Back on. And we are good to go. Always spin it to make sure you're not going to hit anything. And that's a wrap. All right, so one of my supervisors from the landscape business just called, told me that he was dealing with an unhappy customer. So I'm about to go up there and see what is going on. Saves me some time because I have to drop off a couple tires because theirs are bald. So just another day in the life. All right, so here are the tires. There's a little pressure washing box with spare stuff for when the guys call. A couple signs. So I'm gonna take these over to the landscape truck. Let's see. Nice and organized, I like that. What's wrong, Matt? What you guys doing? Where's Sean?
Blowing.
Where at? Hey man, what you doing? Say hey.
What's up?
Nada. So this was a good one?
Oh my god.
I'm thinking we might have to let this one go. Thoughts?
This is what she's talking about right here. She's talking about like, so you can see at the edge right here.
Okay, that's impossible. There was never that much grass there.
That's a lot, dude. That would be a lot. I'm just saying, that would be a lot. It looks more or less like somebody, you know, I'm saying it's the weeder, they floated it up. That's what it is.
Yeah.
This used to go straight.
Okay.
I don't know.
Hey, the customer's always right, right?
I mean, yeah. I mean, I can understand all that.
Oh yeah, no, that's not okay.
Yeah. Get it, Walmart.
No. This is a GoPro, man.
I got them at Walmart.
Oh, I know. So,
She wants us to get all this up too.
whose is it?
It's hers.
Get it up or just take it to the street?
Like,
Let's just drag it to the street because they come today.
Bags and stuff. That's what we chop it up bags.
No, we'll take it down to the street and do that. When you own a business, there really is no set schedule, and while it would be so awesome to have that type of schedule where everything is regimented, it just doesn't happen with this type of business or the type of businesses that we have. And it makes it difficult, but it also keeps things interesting because I never know what's coming at me. But with that being said, I just dropped off the equipment, so hopefully they can turn that around pretty quick. And earlier I'd mentioned that I needed to follow up on a couple customers and some quotes. Talked about an apartment job that we'd done about 8 months ago, and they were looking to see if the quote was still good for the gutter cleaning. So the quote is still good for the gutter cleaning, and with that job and a couple others that have all confirmed today, we have booked $17,600 in the past 6 hours. All of this will take place within the next 2 weeks. We've got a window cleaning job that was about $8,500, a building cleaning, which was only 2 sides. We quoted that out at $1,300, I believe, 13 or 1,500, I can't remember. Got another one that we do about every 6 months. It's an office building, so we do the office and the gutters. That one's $4,200, and then that apartment gutter cleaning job, which is about $3,600. I'm thinking that my numbers are adding up to that 17,600 number, but I'm no mathematician. I've got bad ADD, and I've had a crazy day running all over the place. But that is exciting stuff. We love to book big jobs. Now, one of the things that is interesting is how we schedule our regular residential stuff and still get all the other things done. I'm fortunate that I've got multiple employees that have been cross-trained and can do multiple things. We're going to be bringing in a couple guys to do glass cleaning from the landscape maintenance side of the business because that's a relatively big job, and I want to get that done in 2 to 3 days. We're going to be using water-fed poles on that, and like I said before, we've got 3 water-fed poles, and I just ordered a new Unger hydro something or other from Alex at the Window Cleaning Resource. In fact, Jordy is the guy that helped me. He's got a channel called The Window Cleanse. Check that out. It's pretty cool. He's got some great stuff there. And we are going to be using that one along with 2 others. So pretty excited. It's turned out to be a really good day. Now I am picking up my daughter, who is 9 years old from school, and we will go home and have a snack, talk about school. Again, one of the amazing things about owning your own business is the ability to spend time with your family. Go pick your kids up from school, you know, be there, be present, because at the end of the day, that is more important than absolutely anything else. You can take all the money away, you can take all the material things away, and if you don't have your family, what do you have? You got nothing. And that's why we go to work every day. That's why we hustle. That's why we work hard. That's why we do probably more than we should, because we want to have the ability to take care of those that we love. We want to have the ability to spend time with those that we love. And putting in the work up front allows you to do that at some point. All right, guys, so that was a long day, but it was very lucrative for All American, and I am very happy about that. We implemented some new systems. We got some stuff fixed. We delivered some tires. Dealt with some unhappy customers, dealt with some happy customers, but all in all, it was a great day. As a small business owner, you run into things every single day. No day is alike. Makes it interesting, makes it fun, but working for yourself is awesome, and hopefully these videos are helping you. Really appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, but more importantly, have a great day.